We all crave clarity and organization. We want a quiet space to think, and we want all the information we need to be there when we need it. Notion gives you both. Whether you're working on your own or on a team of thousands, Notion provides a single space to organize everything that matters. One space to capture your thoughts, manage your projects, or even run an entire company. Every team can have their own home base. Notion is a single home for all your need-to-knows and need-to-dos, displayed any way you need to see them. Notion gives you a clean, open surface where you can think, write, and plan. Just start typing. It's that simple. Or add any other type of content you like. Images and videos. And much more. Design pages exactly the way you want them. And when you change your mind, rearrange them with a simple drag and drop. Everything in Notion can be customized to grow and change with you. Create as many pages as you need. Pages focused on today. Pages plotting your path to tomorrow. Nest pages within pages within pages, so that everything has its place. And you have clear pathways to everything. Find anything with a few clicks. Whether it's your team wiki, product roadmap, meeting notes, or personal tasks. When you use Notion with your team, you share a workspace so that everyone has the same source of truth. Collaborate on the same page at the same time. Or work asynchronously across time zones. And pick up right where your teammates in London or Seoul left off yesterday without missing a thing. And it goes far beyond documents. Create databases to manage team-wide projects, track deals, onboard new employees, publish to the web. Everything you see can be modified to fit you and your team. In a world of too much information scattered across too many tools, sending too many notifications, Notion offers something new, a calm, clear place to focus on the things that actually matter to you.